Welcome back, Lee Virtual School Elementary Surfers. We are here today for session 2 of the first days of school. I hope you all navigated through your lesson yesterday and you are excited to learn more today. Please make sure that you have logged into your Chromebook, that you have located the Launchpad, the LVS Elementary app, and you've clicked on it to land on the Lee Virtual School Elementary website. You can hold tight there for a little while because the first step that you're going to do today is you're going to set up your Google Drive. Google Drive is used in our school and our program to hold any of your scanned work or any work that you might have done on your computer, and then it is used to upload those documents into assignments for your courses. You'll learn more about how to do that later, but first you need to set up your Google Drive. So please take some time to watch the video tutorial linked on the task sheet and follow along on your Chromebook to set up your Google Drive. Once you have completed that, you can click on the chat box and let your teacher know, and feel free to move on to the next portion of your task sheet. Next, you're going to navigate your courses and classes. You'll get started with some daily lessons today. I'd like for you to find your daily access guide. This was given to you via email, and it can also be found on the LVS Elementary website. It's important to print this document because this is your daily procedure. Locate the password sheet you created yesterday. You were given login info via email. Please let your teacher know now via the Zoom chat box if you do not have your passwords. Locate the printed page chart from yesterday and find this week's assignments. Note the one assignment due for Tuesday. There's only one assignment due for today. Again, if you haven't logged into your Chromebook, do that now. Click on the LVS Elementary app, locate the daily lessons icon, click there, and log into your LVS daily lessons. If you forgot how to do that, you can access the tutorials linked here below. Both of them will help you get into your courses and help you navigate through. Now look at the page chart to determine which English Language Arts lesson is due this week. Hint, it's 01.01, but make sure to see it on the page chart so you know where to find your lessons for next week as well. Click on the Language Arts English course. This will take you to the learning management system called Educator, which houses all of the students' courses. Educator is like the individual classrooms of the school. You went through this tutorial yesterday, and it's noted for you again above if you forgot how to get there. Once you land in your course, you're going to see a screen that looks like the one pictured here, except it should be for your grade level. These pictures below are from a 5th grade classroom, but it's very similar for each grade level. You're going to scroll for the menu, and as you scroll, you're going to come down to some pink boxes, or green, or blue, depending on your grade level. Those boxes hold the lessons that are noted on the page chart. Remember, I told you that this week you have scheduled 1.01. So you're going to click on 1.01 and open up that lesson in your Educator English Language Arts course. Remember, through our tutorial yesterday, we learned that we would navigate the pages from the green or pink arrow at the top right corner, and you could go from page to page throughout the lesson. Work through this lesson to completion today. You'll need to click on all of the links and complete all of the activities inside the lesson pages. Your teachers are here in the Zoom class to help you if you run across any issues. Just reach out to them, type in the chat box, and they will be happy to help. When you get to the final page of lesson 1.01, you're going to notice that you have to complete a quiz. Here's a tutorial on how to access the quizzes and assignments and how to complete that quiz. Once you have completed that quiz, please let your teacher know in the chat box, and you are done with session 2 of the first days of school for today. Good luck, and be sure to reach out to any of your teachers if you have any questions.